Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest leaks surrounding the Samsung Galaxy S25 Slim. These new leaks have sparked a lot of excitement and speculation in the tech community. From display details to camera specifications, there's a lot to unpack. Let's get into the details and see what makes the Samsung Galaxy S25 Slim so special. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Slim will feature a 6.66-inch screen, similar to the Galaxy S25 Plus. This large display is designed to provide an immersive viewing experience, making it perfect for gaming, streaming, and browsing. The Galaxy S25 Slim is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This powerful processor is expected to deliver fast and efficient performance, ensuring smooth multitasking and seamless user experience. The device is expected to have a battery capacity between 4,700 mAh and 5,000 mAh. This substantial battery size should provide excellent battery life, keeping you connected and productive throughout the day. The Galaxy S25 Slim will boast a triple rear camera setup with a 200MP main camera, featuring the ISOCELL HP5 sensor. Additionally, it will include a 50MP ultrawide camera and a 50MP telephoto camera with 3.5x optical zoom, both using the ISOCELL JN5 sensor. These camera specs promise to deliver stunning photography and videography capabilities. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Slim is expected to launch in Q2 2025. This anticipated release date has generated a lot of buzz, as fans eagerly await the official announcement and availability. Interestingly, the Galaxy S25 Slim is reported to be thicker than the rumored iPhone 17 Air. This comparison highlights the different design approaches taken by Samsung and Apple. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Slim is shaping up to be an impressive addition to the Galaxy lineup. With a large display, powerful processor, substantial battery, and advanced camera system, there's a lot to look forward to. Share your thoughts about these leaks in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest tech.